to another episode of the Forgotten Manual Tech Edition. Today, I want you to not stop believing because we're going to talk about journey to success. So this is something I've shared out in some places and I wanted to share it with y'all as well. You could probably see these links on screen. They're not fully enumerated, but that's okay. Because today we're going to talk a little bit about the journey to success for Aria operations, Aria automation, Aria operations for logs, and Aria operations for networks. We're going to go drag that off because we're already started here in Introduction to Aria Operations. What's really nice about this is it's other people who are not me talking about a bunch of stuff. So that way I don't have to be the one to go and show you all the stuff. So this is a resource for you to become driving yourself towards success around things like ops and automation and logs and so on and so forth. So that said, we're already here, start off with this first one. Stop that pop-up. We're already here, start off with this first one. So we're gonna kind of dig through a little bit. I mean, it's got some getting started, maximizing your value. Look at that. This 45-minute video, and it really is. In fact, we're gonna launch that video just for a second, just so you can kind of see, hey, it's taking us to YouTube, over to the Aria Cloud Management channel, and there's a bunch of stuff that's gonna show up inside this video and be like, blah, 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 lots of content, right? That's what's really nice about this is you're going to be able to go and do this yourself. Have a whole series of different areas, right? Simple guide to the user interface. And it's not all going to be videos. There's a lot of videos. There's README files. There are documents. There's lessons. So the key part in this is it's a journey. You know, don't stop believing that it is a journey. I'm going to stop making that pun. So there's a lot of really useful, really cool kinds of things that you're able to find in here. Safe and compliant, sustainability. And here's one. I'm going to go do a super scroll because right now we're over into 8 here on the left. I'm going to go. Now we're down. We've already moved into a completely different section. That's the best part about this is we've got so many different categories and sections and just more and more. And then even getting into becoming a power user because there's a lot of really nice, good value in here. And my favorite part is I don't have to go make the video myself. I can say, go watch this video on the Management Pack Builder or something like that. So this is the operations one. So many different things that you can look for in here or search for in here. We're going to jump on over here to Aria Automation. Again, we've got our getting started, getting more out of it, becoming a power user, build automation skills, right? All that kind of stuff that we were just talking about, you know, and it'll help guide you through, walking through how to do those things, instructive videos, README files, lessons, things that you're able to go and take advantage of and go and do the thing. Because that's really the value out of this is getting more out of, right? That's getting value out of trying to do the thing that you want to do on a regular basis without having to literally try to invent the wheel or scrape up a way of how do I add salt stack resources and automation? Like, oh, well, it's right here. It's right here inside this training. So that way you're able to go and do each of those respective things and you can become that next level of power user. You know, creating templates with Tanzu, you know, customizing catalog request forms. Now we're going to jump over to logs because we don't talk about logs nearly as much and when we should, right? We really should talk about logs. Let me know down in the comments below, like, I want to talk about logs or whatever, right? So that said, there's more of all of the things I just said that we can go out there and experience inside here. Making your logs relevant. Did I just say that? Making logs relevant. There we go. All these really nice getting more out of areas and values and so on and so forth. And there's less for logs. And that's okay, you know, because it's honest. And there's even a little Verni in here or, you know, Aria operations for networks. So there's a lot of very cool and powerful and useful things that you can do inside here, as well as resources that you can point to and go look at, blah, 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 all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to go drop these links back on screen. Okay, again, they're not enumerated links like they are up here, but I will also be sure to include these in the description below. So don't hesitate to go and click in the description and say, how do I go find that thing? You know, because it's all over here in Text Zone, but what I like about this is it narrows it down specifically to what you're looking for and what you want to do at that moment so you can kind of jump straight into the lesson. So I hope this really quick intro to Text Zone and the journeys to success was useful and valuable to you. You know, let us know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, yada yada, all that jazz. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time and we will catch you guys in the next one. CXI out.